This is Mel from Melbourne Music, and today we're going to check out the JW-03 from Joyo. Now we'll jump right in. So what this looks like in the packaging, it's packaged real good, just a small box with some protecting for shipping, I guess. The owner's manual, which most of us don't read. I'll tell you guys in a minute why I got stuck on here. And then you've got the transmitter, receiver, and then the charging cable, which is a Y cable. It'll charge both. I just plug it into my computer and let it charge up. Turning these on, you got to remember one thing, because it took me a second to figure this out. When you turn these on, it has a pairing button. Let me get up close here. So you have off, on, and in that little circle for pairing. When you hit the transmitter to pair it up first, you're gonna have to hold it down. I didn't realize that at first. I thought you just hit one and hit the other, but you hit it, hold it down, then you hit the other one, and then you can pair them up, and then you're off and running. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll fire these up and then get to playing, so you guys can just hear what they sound like. I'm mainly using these for teaching, so I won't be able to tell you guys what it sounds like on stage. As of right now, we're doing some stuff here at the school and we're not gigging. Well, I should say I'm not gigging right now. Maybe somebody is, but I'm not. So I'm working on some different things at the school. So this is gonna be for teaching, not for gigging. If I do a gig and I get a chance to try these out, that'll be somewhere down the line, I'll let you know. But for now, it's just gonna be in here in my studio, which is about 8 by 10. All right, so let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to switch these on. There's an on switch. Switch that on. Blue light. There you go. I got to turn it angle there. Okay, turn this one on. Same thing. There's a little switch. Okay, so pairing it up. Hold that one down. This one. Okay, I think they're paired up. We'll see in a second when I start playing. Now I'm going direct here, so we've got the Dapper mini amp on the floor down here. So, working pretty good. Okay, so that was a little dirt. Let's try it clean. Okay, so looks like it's transmitting pretty good. I think next what we'll do is I'll put on a backing track and we'll play with it and see how it sounds. It's a quick look at the JW-03 from Joyo. I think you guys will like it. I've so far been happy with it. Like I said, I have not taken it out on a gig, which I don't know for me, I don't know if that would be something I would do anyway, but as far as teaching goes and using it here at the school, I think it's going to work out really good. So it keeps me, because I've got, you guys can't see the floor, I've got spaghetti down here, so it's really bad. So with this, I think that's going to help me out a little bit so I can not worry about cables as much when I'm down here. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching this Melbooker Music video. For information on in-person lessons or one-on-one video lessons, please visit melbookermusic.com.